The first thing you'll likely want to do is have your video somewhere it's easy to access, like your desktop, just to make the process a little easier. Once you've done that, open PowerPoint. In order to embed the video, you'll want to start by going to the Insert tab in PowerPoint. Then, click on Video on the right-hand side of the ribbon. A small drop-down box will appear, allowing you to choose a video file from your computer or something online. In this case, and whenever you're ultimately going to be exporting the entire presentation as a video itself, you'll want to have the video stored locally on your computer. So, we'll select Movie from File. Once you click Movie from File, a Finder window will open, allowing you to navigate to the file you want to insert. When you've selected the file you want, click Insert. The video will likely appear as large as your slide, but you'll see that it's surrounded by resizing dots. Using one of the corner dots, resize your video so that you can move it to where you want it on the screen. For vertical videos that are imported horizontally, grab the circular arrow at the top and turn until the video is oriented correctly. Realize that you may need to reposition other text boxes on your slide if you have not already formatted your slide appropriately to include your embedded video. Once you've positioned your video where you want it, make sure your video is selected and go to the Playback tab to format how your video will play during the presentation. You can have it play automatically, once clicked, or in the slide's click sequence. For PowerPoint presentations that will ultimately be exported as a video, you'll likely want it to play automatically. Finally, save your PowerPoint and test the video integration by going into presenter mode to make sure that the video displays and plays as you intended.